Hello there and welcome back to my video about Python, where you will working with the fifa19 dataset. In this video I will show how we can sorting our data we will work with from the previous video. I've cleaned up the code so it's much simpler before we continue. And for this video I will make a simple matplot so you can have a small graph. So that's importing the matplot. And then we load that in again. And down here we want to sorting our data. We have the data here, so let's call it the top 10 most player. And for this we need the group, and grouping the data should be sort value by the ID count, and I only want to say ID and the ID count, and we only want the top 10. For this we need a hit so we can see what happened here. Oops, now I'll make a small mistake. You can see it's taking the top 10 most player, and we take the bottom of all the countries. So what we can do here, it's the sorting. So ascending, I have hitting some wrong button here. Should be true. That's the default value. So if you don't do anything, then this will be how you can do it here. And so if we turn it to false, you will see it will turn around. So England and Germany and Spain and Argentina having most players, and then France, Brazil, and then down. So that's perfect. That's how we're sorting down. So let's building our matplot. I will build it here and say a plot should be top 10 most player. Let's copy it down here and let's build a title, top 10 most players, and then we want to show it. You can see it's coming here. We cannot read it so good, so that's fine, but we know that. That's the graph. So the funny will be now when we have the age down here, the 22 and something like that, then it could be funny to make the same for the age. So let's copy this and paste it inside and say we need the age mean, and again we want the first we will say top young player. That's fine. The young player should be true here. Yes, and the next we want should be old player, and this should be false. I think I have a little mistake here, but I cannot see that. So age mean, that's fine, and we need the same over here. So no, that's correct. That's the top 10 youngest player in FIFA, and this is the top 10 oldest average players in FIFA. So for this we need two matplots. I'll just going down here and here. Yeah, we have two here, that's fine. I'll go up and copy this one, the old and young and then we have it here. It's scaling, so that's how it's working. This is a little bit about how you can manipulate your data frame, so you can work with the matplot in Python. I hope you enjoyed this part number 2, and I hope you want to continue to watching my videos. And if you have any questions, please make them in the comment fields below. I'll try to answer them as fast as possible. I hope you want to like this video and share it with your friends, and of course I hope you want to subscribe my channel. Press the thing below in the right corner, and then I'll be very happy. Thank you so much for your time, and thank you for subscribing. See you next time.